Liposuction is the most common cosmetic operation in the U.S., with more than 400,000 procedures performed every year. Most come off without a hitch, but for one Fort Lauderdale woman, the complications nearly turned deadly. In our special Miracle Monday series of reports, Local 10 health specialist Christy Kruger brings us an amazing story of survival. But we must warn you, the images you're about to see in this story are graphic.
As a flight attendant with American Airlines, Marcia Beaird has been around the world. But her longest journey started nearly 9 years ago.
There's many times that I wish I was dead.
She was in fact very close to death from a skin ravaging infection that took over her body after a liposuction procedure.
I was in an induced coma for 3 months, and every day was a day that the doctors would tell my mother that your daughter's not going to make it.
Marcia spent a total of 5 months in the hospital and underwent multiple surgeries to save her skin. But she turned her head when the bandages were finally removed.
I never looked because I was afraid that if I saw what happened to me, then I would lose me, and my will to live would go away.
Even after she was released from the hospital, the struggle continued. In 2011, she underwent additional surgeries with tissue expanders to help stretch out the skin grafts. To this day, she continues to battle wounds that just don't heal.
It really takes a strong person to be able to go through what she's been through, and for her to have the positive outlook that she has, it's unbelievable. I don't know that I would have that.
Marcia recently returned to her job as a flight attendant, a major milestone in her struggle to recover.
I do have a beautiful life ahead of me, and I'm going to enjoy each moment and step.
Marcia says journaling about her experiences really helped her get through some of the darkest days, and it led to her writing this book, a book she hopes will help other people learn to love themselves just the way they are. I'm Christy Kruger, Local 10 News.
Love her spirit. When Marcia's medical costs have exceeded $2 million, she will continue to need medical treatment for wound care, perhaps, Lori, for the rest of her life.
My goodness, she has been through so much.
Yeah, great attitude.
How inspiring to the people that have to deal with that horrible disease. Marcia, thank you for sharing your story.